Trauma can feel like a prison. Today we're going to explore an incredible concept called neuroplasticity, your brain's amazing ability to change and grow even after trauma. It's a journey of hope, resilience, and the power of your mind. Have you ever wondered about the incredible power of your brain? For a long time, we thought our brains were pretty much set in stone after childhood. But guess what? That is not true at all. Your brain is an amazing organ that keeps changing and growing throughout your entire life. Let's dive in and explore this fascinating world of neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the ability of the brain to form and reorganize synaptic connections, especially in response to learning or experience or following injury. You might have heard that the brain is divided into specific areas, each with its own job. And it's true, different parts of your brain do specialize in different things, like memory or emotions or movement. But here's the cool part. These areas aren't locked in place. They're actually really flexible and can change over time based on your experiences. Not only that, but your brain keeps growing new connections even as you get older. It's like building new roads in a city. These new connections help you learn new things, adapt to changes, and create amazing memories. There are a few ways your brain can change. Number one, neurogenesis. This is the term for growing new brain cells. Whilst it's most active in early life, recent research has shown that it also happens in the adult brain, for example, in the hippocampus. Number two, the growth and modulation of synaptic connections amongst neurons. This is about the connection between the brain cells, the synapses. These connections can get stronger or weaker depending on how often they're used. It's like building or pruning plants in a garden. Myelination is the third. This is glial cells. They form kind of insulation amongst the neurons, and the connections therefore are more faster and efficient. It's like insulating your brain's wiring so that the signals travel 100 times faster between the brain cells. And finally, fourth is epigenetic changes. These are changes that affect how your genes are expressed without altering the DNA itself. Experience can lead to epigenetic changes which can then influence your brain's structure and function. Experience alters the non-DNA molecules that sit on top of the DNA called epigenetic regulators, such as histones and methyl groups. There's a feedback loop. Epigenetic changes are induced by experience. This in turn alters how future experiences will allow the genes to be expressed, proteins produced, and structural changes to unfold. These four processes work together to make your brain incredibly adaptable. All of these changes together are called neuroplasticity. It means your brain is super adaptable and can change in response to what you do and what you experience. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions can literally shape the structure of your brain. Isn't that mind-blowing? So what does this mean for you? Well, it means you have the power to shape your own brain. Every thought, feeling, and experience you have is leaving a mark on your brain. By focusing on creating feelings of safety, practicing new skills, mindfulness, and surrounding yourself with supportive people, you can create a brain that supports your happiness, health, and well-being. Remember, your brain is like a garden. With the right care and attention, it can flourish and grow in amazing ways. As Dan Siegel put it, where attention goes, neural firing flows and neural connection grows. This helps us understand how psychotherapy, mindfulness-based interventions, and even parenting work. I hope hope this video inspired you to appreciate the incredible power of your brain. Remember, you have the ability to shape your own mind, and you're far from determined by the traumatic experiences you might have had. By understanding neuroplasticity, you unlock the potential to shape your own mind. Please subscribe for more videos on personal growth and trauma recovery. And thank you very much for watching.